I still got some fight in me. You can try to hurt me, but you will never defeat me. I still got some fight in me. I see clouds around me start to gather, like eyes of lions always watching. Tell me my heart's still beating, tell me my heart's still feeling. Pain makes me stronger, it makes me stronger. Time for me to be resistant, cause I will speak my mind when I suffer. Standing in the clouds and thunder, gonna fight like David and Goliath. I see clouds around me start to gather. Pain makes me stronger, it makes me stronger. I'm standing in the hurricane like never before. Let the rain surround me, let the air build around me. I'll never give up, stand strong like a lion, face fear and judgment. I still got some fight in me. You can try to hurt me, but you will never defeat me. I still got some fight in me. I feel the voice of love calling. I stand up after I have fallen. Tell me you hear it, tell me you don't fear it. Pain only makes you stronger, so embrace everything when you suffer. Nothing left to say, I won't be a slave today. God love is a shield, and destiny and faith is my strength. I feel the voice of love calling. Pain makes me stronger, it makes me stronger. Destiny and faith is my strength. I'm standing in the hurricane like never before. Let the rain surround me, let the air build around me. I'll never give up, stand strong like a lion, face fear and judgment. I still got some fight in me. You can try to hurt me, but you will never defeat me. I still got some fight in me.